Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
High pressure is building into the Pacific Northwest, clearing out those clouds. Even along the coast, we got pretty breezy and blustery offshore winds, and that's what's led to such warm temperatures again today in Brookings, well up into the 80s. 86 right now in Brookings, but things have been warming up for inland areas as well. We're up to 91 in Medford, it's 92 in Montague, 84 degrees in Klamath Falls and Lakeview, and 77 up in Chemult. Temperatures a good at least a few degrees warmer than this time yesterday for most spots. 7 degrees warmer in Brookings. Take a look at these winds. Breezes are picking up for many of our inland valleys, both west and east of the Cascades, but some of the gustiest winds have been along the coast. Sustained winds out of the north at North Bend at 29 miles per hour, gusting up to 38 miles per hour. And we've seen some pretty gusty conditions as well along the Curry County coast. Those winds subsiding just a little bit, but it will stay fairly breezy tonight. That's going to keep Brookings, thanks to that Checo effect, fairly mild. Only a low of 65. 53 tonight in Medford. Will drop to 43 in Klamath Falls and 51 in Wairika. So one more fairly cool morning, but things are really going to heat up for us as we go through the rest of the weekend. Those overnight lows will be getting warmer as well, especially into this weekend. Tomorrow on your Wednesday, 97 in Wairika, up to 96 in Medford and 90 in Klamath Falls. We have a shot at hitting 90 tomorrow in Brookings. This is likely going to be the peak of that Checo effect before it weakens as we head through the 4th of July and on into Friday. Now, tomorrow night, we are going to be concerned about those gusty winds for the coastal mountains. Much of Curry and Josephine County under a red flag warning. That combination of those blustery winds and very low humidity, even in the nighttime, will create critical fire weather conditions. Fires can spread quick in these conditions that we'll see tomorrow night into the early morning hours of the 4th of July. That is when, on the 4th of July, that heat really builds in. We have excessive heat warnings for the west side, and then on the east side, heat advisories. All of these go from 8 a.m. on Thursday through 9 p.m. Monday. So this is going to be a series of days with temperatures very hot. The parade forecast on the 4th of July, several parades going on around the region. Ashland at 10 a.m., 82 degrees. For Mount Shasta at noon, we're going to be already above the 90-degree mark. Lots of sunshine. Don't forget the sunscreen. That UV index is going to be very high. Afternoon high temperatures getting into the triple digits in our west side valleys, up to 95 for Klamath Falls, 85 in Brookings. And then for the evening hours, still pretty warm by dusk for a lot of those fireworks displays going on, well into the 80s in the Rogue Valley in Northern California, and then in the 70s in the Klamath Basin. And then taking a look at the heat, it only gets hotter for the Rogue Valley as we head towards Friday and into the weekend. 111 degrees on Friday and 113 degrees on Saturday. And notice several days will likely be breaking records in Medford. Some of these records pretty old, over 100 years. For Saturday, 104 degrees. That goes way back to 1922, and we're looking to beat that by quite a bit, nearly 10 degrees. So take a look at that 7-day forecast. Some of the hottest weather for the coast, the warmest weather is going to be the next couple of days, and then temperatures ease a little bit. It'll be a great place to beat the heat that we're going to see inland heading to the coast this weekend. Northern California, scorching hot temperatures as we head through late week and then on into this weekend. Some temperatures getting up above 110 degrees, especially for Saturday. The Klamath Basin, it's going to be hot on the east side as well. Temperatures making it above 100 degrees Friday and through the weekend, it looks like. Stays pretty hot into early next week as well. The mountains, lots of sunshine. Temperatures will be heating up as well as we go through the rest of the week and then into the weekend, well above average. And then for the Rogue Valley, some sizzling temperatures, especially Friday and Saturday, looking to be the peak of this heat wave, but triple-digit temperatures look to continue even into early next week.